All right, this is Pear Park here in Shelby Township, Michigan, located at 51,863 Schoenherr Road. We have an elevator. It's an Impulse. Got this nice little office building, two-story office building off of Schoenherr Road. Here it is. There's your up and down lantern. Looks like a Thyssen and Krupp Impulse, but when you go inside, you look at the fixtures and you see that it's actually a Thyssen Dover. So let's go to 2. Let's take one more ride. The door close button works after a certain period of time. Just a basic elevator. There's more office space down there. All right, we'll end it on 1. There's the, oh look, there's the certificate. See, here's our application. Look at this. Expired since 2006. Oh, that's pretty bad. That goes to show right there that these Thyssen Dover elevators are built pretty well, because this thing's holding up pretty well, considering it. Based on that, it hasn't been inspected since 2006. That's on the management. Nice elevator overall. All right, that'll be it.